The next step would be we need to give it some storage so we can put an OS on it for utilization. We're going to go ahead and remove this heat sink slash cover, and basically it's just unscrew this top part. And I've got a 2 terabyte Western Digital, actually it's not a Western Digital, excuse me, it's a Samsung SSD, an NVMe, and that's all I had laying around, and so I'm going to go ahead and use this, even though it's overkill for what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and, there's only one way that can go in. Again, there's a groove in the M.2 slot, so we'll put that in place, and then we'll, if you didn't have a cover or heatsink, you would basically hold this down and screw it in, but since I do, we're going to go ahead and put this back together.